আসসালামু আলাইকুম। যারা একদম বিগিনার শিক্ষার্থীরা আছেন, যারা ইংলিশে কথা বলা শুরু করতে চাচ্ছেন, কিভাবে আপনি ইংলিশে কথা বলবেন, এই ভিডিওটা অনেক বেশি হেল্প করবে এবং প্রথম থেকে শেষ পর্যন্ত দেখবেন। আশা করি আপনি বুঝে যাবেন কিভাবে একজন অপরিচিত মানুষের সাথে ইংলিশে কথা বলা শুরু করতে হয়। হ্যালো স্যার, হাউ আর ইউ টুডে?
Alhamdulillah, I'm doing great. And how about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm pretty well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Where are you from?
Basically, I'm from Gopalganj, but recently I've been living at Jatravari in Dhaka.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher of Rahat English Care.
Do you feel proud with your career?
Yes, I feel proud to be a part of Rahat English Care and to be a teacher of spoken English.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm married.
Okay, are you happy in your conjugal life?
Alhamdulillah, I'm very much happy in my conjugal life.
What do you do in your free time?
Basically, in my free time, I try to watch different type of English videos, English movies, English drama, and English cartoons.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
Biryani. How much do you love it?
I love it very much.
Can you cook biryani?
Yes, I can cook biryani. Last time when I left my university, at the time of leaving my university, I, along with my friends, cooked biryani, and it was very much delicious.
What's the name of your university?
Chittagong University.
Oh my goodness. Great. Could you tell me something about your university?
Yes, it is the most beautiful universities in our country. As you know, an area is very large, and the inside beautifulness is actually speechless and very much charming. And if you get a chance to go any time to go there, so I'm requesting you to visit my university, and you will feel very much happy after visiting my university. It's like a park where a university is located.
I would like to know, did you go to Cox's Bazar?
Yes, I've been there 3 times.
Oh my goodness. And so could you tell me something about it, about Cox's Bazar?
Yes, Cox's Bazar is that it is the largest cities in the world, and actually we have to see the creator, and we have to see the creators of Almighty Allah. And whenever you stand before Cox's Bazar sea beach, and you can feel how large the universe is, how large the sea is. So standing before the sea beach, you can feel how tiny you are. So sometimes we feel very proud and we feel arrogant that I'm the largest person in the world. But after going to sea beach Cox's Bazar, you can feel you're not very large, you're not very tall. There are many things in this world. There is taller than you, there is larger than you.
Now you are teachers of Rahat English Care and as well as your faculty members of his department. I would like to know, and what's your opinion about Rahat English Care?
Alhamdulillah, Rahat English Care is the best platform for learning English, especially those who are beginners. And we have also opened a special batch for kids. And actually, kids should be taught English or any language when they're between 6 to 10 years. So in this time, they should be taught any language they want. I'm teaching them, and they're enjoying very much while I'm teaching them. I'm teaching in different types, using different type of method, like clapping method.
Do you dance in the class?
As you know, that it is online class, so it is not possible to dance.
I would like to know this. Now you're staying in Dhaka City. How do you feel after staying here?
Dhaka City, actually, I don't love Dhaka City very much because the city is very much crowded and everything is not sufficient, like electricity, as well as the water is not good, and we must purify the waters before drinking. So there are some problems in Dhaka City, but according to job opportunity, Dhaka City is the best in Bangladesh.
Best. So thank you very much. Best of luck. I'm very happy to talk to you.
Thank you very
I'll
much.
talk to you later.